Imagine walking into a restaurant, a place where tradition meets innovation. You see a robot taking orders with precision and efficiency. Another robot is cooking your food, ensuring consistency and quality. Welcome to the future of dining, where technology meets culinary arts. AI and robotics are changing how we eat. This isn't science fiction anymore. Restaurants around the world are using robots to enhance their services. These machines cook, serve, and even clean up after meals. Is this the end of human chefs? Not so fast, there's more to it. This new technology has challenges and limitations. Can robots create delicious food that satisfies our taste buds? Can they provide good customer service with a personal touch? These are questions we need to ask and explore. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of AI restaurants and their impact. We'll see how robots are changing the way we eat and experience dining. Get ready for a taste of the future where dining is redefined.
The use of robots in restaurants is not entirely new. For years, simple robots have helped with tasks. Think automated arms for making pizza dough or conveyor belts for sushi restaurants. But now, things are different. We're seeing a new generation of robots. These machines are smarter and more capable. They can cook complex dishes. They can even interact with customers. This shift is driven by advances in artificial intelligence. AI allows robots to learn and adapt. They can recognize patterns. They can make decisions based on data. This makes them ideal for the fast-paced world of restaurants. From simple automation to sophisticated AI, robots are changing the game. They are becoming more common in kitchens and dining rooms around the world.
So, how do these robots actually work in the kitchen? Imagine a robotic arm with incredible precision. It can chop vegetables faster than any human chef. It can stir sauces without getting tired. These robots are programmed with countless recipes. They can adjust cooking times and temperatures for perfect results. Need to cook multiple dishes at once? No problem for a multitasking robot chef. Some robots even specialize in specific cuisines. There are robots that make perfect sushi rolls. Others are masters of stir-fry. The possibilities seem endless. But it's not just about speed and efficiency. Robots can also improve consistency. Every dish they prepare will be made to the same exact standard.
Robots aren't just confined to the kitchen. They're also changing the way restaurants serve customers. Imagine being greeted by a friendly robot waiter. It can show you to your table and take your order. These robots can navigate crowded dining rooms with ease. They can deliver food and drinks quickly and efficiently. And they never forget a single detail of your order. Some restaurants are even using robots as bartenders. These robotic mixologists can create perfect cocktails every time. They can even offer personalized recommendations based on your preferences. While some people might miss the human touch, there are advantages to robot servers. They're always polite and attentive, and they never have a bad day.
Section 5, a taste of the future, examples of AI restaurants worldwide. The rise of AI restaurants isn't just a futuristic fantasy. It's happening right now in cities around the world. Take, for example, Spice in Boston, USA. This restaurant uses robots to prepare customized bowls with fresh ingredients. Then there's Creator in San Francisco, USA. This restaurant boasts a robot that can grill a perfect burger in just 5 minutes. And in Shanghai, China, the Robot. AIrestaurant features robot chefs that can cook a variety of Chinese dishes. These are just a few examples of the growing trend of AI restaurants. From fast food chains to high-end dining experiences, robots are making their mark on the culinary world.
Section 6. The tech behind the taste sensors, algorithms, and machine learning. The magic of AI restaurants lies in the technology that powers these robots. Advanced sensors allow robots to perceive their environment. They can detect obstacles, recognize ingredients, and even judge the doneness of food. Sophisticated algorithms provide robots with the brains to process information and make decisions. These algorithms are based on vast amounts of data. They allow robots to learn from experience and improve their performance over time. Machine learning takes AI to the next level. By analyzing patterns in data, robots can adapt to new situations and even predict future outcomes. This means they can learn to cook new dishes, personalize customer orders, and optimize restaurant operations. The combination of sensors, algorithms, and machine learning is transforming the restaurant industry. It's making robots smarter, more adaptable, and more capable than ever before.
Section 7, Efficiency and Precision. The benefits of AI in the restaurant industry. The rise of AI restaurants offers several potential benefits. One of the most significant is increased efficiency. Robots can work tirelessly without breaks, leading to faster service and shorter wait times for customers. Precision is another key advantage. Robots can follow recipes with incredible accuracy, ensuring consistent quality and reducing food waste. This can lead to cost savings for restaurants and a more predictable dining experience for customers. AI can also help restaurants personalize the dining experience. Imagine a robot waiter that remembers your favorite dishes and can offer tailored recommendations. Or a robot chef that can adjust recipes to accommodate dietary restrictions. Furthermore, AI can improve hygiene and safety in restaurants. Robots can be programmed to follow strict sanitation protocols, reducing the risk of food contamination. They can also handle dangerous tasks, such as working with hot oil or sharp knives, protecting human workers from potential injuries. Additionally, AI can enhance the overall dining experience by ensuring that every dish is prepared to perfection and served with a smile. With AI, restaurant managers can also analyze data to optimize operations, from inventory management to customer preferences. This data-driven approach can lead to better decision-making and ultimately higher customer satisfaction and positive reviews.
Section 8, the human touch, concerns about food quality and customer experience. Despite the potential benefits, the rise of AI restaurants also raises concerns. One of the biggest is the question of food quality. Can a robot truly replicate the creativity and artistry of a human chef? Some argue that cooking is more than just following recipes. It's about intuition, passion, and the ability to improvise. These are qualities that robots may struggle to replicate.
Another concern is the impact on the customer experience. Part of the joy of dining out is the human interaction. Will customers feel comfortable interacting with robots? Or will it feel impersonal and sterile? There's also the question of taste. Can robots truly understand the nuances of flavor and texture? Or will their dishes lack the depth and complexity of those prepared by human chefs?
Section 9. Jobs on the menu. The impact of automation on restaurant employment. One of the most pressing concerns surrounding AI restaurants is the potential impact on jobs. Many workers fear that the rise of automation could lead to significant job losses, especially in roles that are easily automated. As robots become more capable, will they displace human workers in the restaurant industry? This question looms large, as we see more robots performing tasks traditionally done by humans. It's true that automation could lead to job losses in certain roles, such as line cooks and servers. These positions are particularly vulnerable because they involve repetitive tasks that robots can easily replicate.
However, it's also important to note that AI could create new job opportunities in areas such as robot maintenance and software development. These new roles will require specialized skills and training, offering a different career path for those affected by automation. Moreover, some argue that robots could free up human workers from repetitive or dangerous tasks, allowing them to focus on more creative and fulfilling aspects of the job. This shift could lead to a more engaged and satisfied workforce. For example, chefs could spend more time developing new dishes, while servers could focus on providing personalized recommendations and enhancing the customer experience. This could lead to a more dynamic and innovative dining environment. The future of work in the restaurant industry will likely involve a combination of human and robot collaboration. This hybrid model could bring out the best in both human creativity and robotic efficiency. The key will be to find ways to leverage the strengths of both to create a more efficient, innovative, and ultimately satisfying dining experience. By doing so, we can ensure that the restaurant industry continues to thrive in the age of automation.
Section 10, the future of food service, a balancing act between innovation and tradition. The rise of AI restaurants represents a fascinating intersection of technology and cuisine, blending the old with the new in ways we never imagined. While robots offer the potential for increased efficiency, precision, and even personalization, they also raise concerns about food quality, customer experience, and job displacement. The challenge lies in integrating these advanced technologies without losing the essence of what makes dining special. The future of food service will likely involve a balancing act between embracing innovation and preserving tradition. This delicate balance will be crucial in maintaining the integrity of culinary arts. Robots may become more commonplace in kitchens and dining rooms, but the human touch will remain essential to creating a truly exceptional dining experience. The warmth and creativity of human chefs cannot be easily replicated by machines. Ultimately, the success of AI restaurants will depend on their ability to enhance, rather than replace, the human element of dining. This synergy between man and machine could redefine the culinary landscape. Whether robots can truly capture the heart and soul of cooking remains to be seen. The artistry and passion that chefs bring to their craft are irreplaceable. But one thing is certain: the culinary world is on the cusp of a technological revolution, and the future of food promises to be both exciting and delicious. The journey ahead will be a thrilling blend of innovation and tradition.